Hey guys, let's check out this 120 watts LED floodlight that I received for viewing purposes, and I think that it's a really nice set. You can get it on different packages, and this is the main unit light. Okay, you get all the pieces that you're gonna need to do the wiring and the instruction manual. Something that I think that it's really nice about this lamp is you can use it with a mounting bracket upon a wall or with an angled one upon another wall, which I think it's really nice. Okay, it uses a swivel joint, so you can set it up however angle you would like to set it up, which I think that it's really useful. And the installation couldn't be easier. You just need to mark the spot where you wanna place it, drill the holes and secure the bracket, and then you can then bolt up the proper main unit. You tighten the swivel joint to aim exactly where you want it, and then do the proper wiring. And I think that it can be perfect for any kind of patios, gardening, or even your driveway. After that, you just need to hook it up onto your outdoor circuit and flip the switch. In this case, I'm plugging in because I wire it to a electrical port, but as you can see, it blasts out a massive 16,800 lumens to light up your entire backyard or driveway like if it was daytime, and it's built tough. The IP65 rating means that it's totally waterproof. Either way it rains or it shines, and the aluminum housing also helps with the heat dissipation, and it gives a solid, durable feel. You can use it as a security floodlight, a workspace lamp for your garage, or a nighttime basketball court light, whatever you need. The swivel mounting lets you adjust the beam for wide coverage or focus spotlighting. The knuckle joint and base tighten with this to keep the beam steady, and the whole fixture feels built to last. So there you have it. It's ultra bright, weatherproof, and easy to install, and I think that it's a really great upgrade for your outdoor lighting.